and welcome to Weymouth. I'm here at the shelter opposite the M&S food hall waiting for the land train. Next one goes in a few minutes time and it's going to take me on a circular tour of Weymouth, and I believe there's going to be a bit of commentary on it as well. And the price for an adult is £5. It goes every half an hour, so let's hop on the train and see where it takes us. Running at speeds of up to 10 miles an hour, in recent years the Weymouth land train has been taking visitors to Weymouth on delightful little trips which showcase some of the town's most iconic spots. It's been described by its owner as the absolute best way to discover Weymouth, and it provides lots of fun for all ages. It runs during the mornings and afternoons during the main tourist season from Easter till September, with rides every 30 minutes. I'd originally thought that there would be a commentary on this land train trip, but it wasn't playing on this occasion. So anyway, I'll try and point out to you a few things along the way that I found really interesting and tell you a little bit about them. So we make our way alongside the seafront for a bit, and we pass lots of bars and restaurants before we turn to travel alongside the harbour. The harbour is a really picturesque part of Weymouth, with some interesting boats and buildings and plenty of pubs and places to eat. It's got a really nice relaxing ambience, especially in this sunshine, which I really picked up as we went past on the land train. The harbour forms the mouth of the River Wey as it enters into the English Channel. There used to be a tramway running alongside the north side of the harbour to a railway station. The railway station was called Weymouth Quay Railway Station. That no longer exists, and neither does the tramway. So now we drive over the town bridge. This bridge was built in 1930, and it's a twin-leaf bascule bridge, I think that's how you say it, and it's an opening bridge like the Tower Bridge in London. Soon we stop off at Hope Square. You can get off the land train here and you can go and explore the Knowth Fort and Gardens. Knowth Fort and Gardens is Weymouth's #1 heritage attraction. I'll take us there one day because there's way too much to tell you about it than I can tell you here. The land train stayed at Hope Square for quite a few minutes actually, and while it was there the conductor came round and sold various souvenirs like fridge magnets I think and key rings to raise money to support the train. The land train is really well loved in Weymouth, and it was lovely to see passers-by waving to us from the side of the street. And one thing I loved, there was a waiter standing on a corner with a cup of coffee on a tray, and he handed it to the conductor of the train as we went past. I thought that was really lovely. On our way back to the stop at the seafront, we passed a replica of King George III's bathing machine. He used to visit Weymouth regularly, and he believed that Weymouth's waters had healing properties. He used to get changed inside the cart while a horse pulled him out to sea, and he entered the water down some steps from this cart while the horse returned to the shore. I love the idea of a bathing cart. So as this journey draws to a close, I thought I'd just give you a few thoughts of mine reflecting back on the journey. I thought £5 was quite reasonable for the trip, and one thing that it really made me do was want to come back to Weymouth, so I think that's really achieved something on their part. I saw lots of things I want to revisit. I want to focus more on the harbour another time, and I want to watch that bridge open up as well. I'll make a video of that. And I also want to go to the Knowth Fort and Gardens and spend some time just enjoying that harbourside area. It looks so nice and chilled and relaxed, especially in the sunshine. So yeah, that train trip has given me loads more reasons to come back to Weymouth. And it's great as well if you've got mobility issues. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And subscribe to the channel for more information and more videos around the southwest of England. I've got all sorts of videos from all around the southwest of England, so there's going to be something else that you'll enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.